Well, the answer is I do believe in dividends in a great many situations, including many of the ones companies in which we own stock. The test about whether to pay dividends is whether you can continue to create more than $1 of value for every dollar you retain. And there are many businesses. Take See's Candy, which we own. See's Candy has paid everything virtually out to us that they've earned because they do not have the ability within See's Candy to use large sums, which they earn, intelligently in their business. So it would be an enormous mistake for See's Candy to retain money. So they distributed Berkshire, and we hope that we move that around in some other area where that dollar becomes worth $1.10 or $1.20 in terms of present value terms. If we do that, the shareholder, whether they're taxable or whether they're not taxable, whether they're a foundation or whether they're living on income even, they are better off if we retain the money. Because if they were going to get $1 in dividends and it became worth $1.10 or $1.20 in market value immediately on a present value basis, they're better off selling a small percentage of their stock and realizing the required amount that way, and they will have more money when they get all through doing that than if we paid it in dividends. But if the time comes, and it will come someday, if the time comes when we don't think we can use the money effectively to create more than $1 of market value per dollar retained, then it should be paid out. And like I say, we do that individually within Berkshire, but because we have this ability to redistribute money in a tax efficient way within the company, we probably had more reason to retain all of our earnings. If See's Candy were a standalone company, we would simply pay out a lot of the earnings, practically all of the earnings and dividends, just like we do now, except it goes to Berkshire. We like the companies in which we have investments to pay to us the money they can't use efficiently in their own business. In some cases, that's 100% of what they earn. In some cases, it's 0% of the earn. We own some stocks that don't pay any dividends.